Okay, so this time I am making a recording for this object here. And I can start from either plane, top, front, or right, but I'm going to start from the right plane so that I can get this general outline. And then from there, I'm going to sketch from my top plane. Okay, so let's get to it. And let's see. Let's go ahead and put in our vertical reference. I'm going to just draw a general outline, something like so. I'm not good at this, um, but it'll work itself out. You'll see. Okay, I don't want that. I actually want that to be slanted. So what I'll do, why don't I just go ahead and mirror that? All right. Make those coincident. I'm going to go ahead and put in some symmetry here. And then my measurements. Right, so the overall height should be 54. Okay, 15. Let's see, this should be 20. Um, this should be 60. What are we missing? This should be 28. And the overall width should be 96. Okay, and then we are going to extrude to 50. I'm going to make this symmetric. It's probably not necessary, but let's just do it anyway. All right, and then from my top plane, create a sketch. I'm going to put in my reference lines and I'm going to put corner rectangles. Actually, I want to include that. And then I'm going to put in a circle. And I'm going to mirror that line. So dimensions. All right, so it says that this line should be 5 millimeters from that line, right? So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to mirror this first. And then I don't have to worry about all of my dimensions. All right, so that's 5. And then the width is going to be 30. Now, my length really doesn't matter. And you'll see why. I'm going to make sure that that's symmetric. All right. And my circle. All right, so 60 millimeters between those two. And then my circle is going to be 40 millimeters in diameter. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude that 10 millimeters outward. And then extrude those 30 millimeters upward. And from here, I'm going to just cut that down, all of that down to 28 millimeters. So I'm going to do a remove. And let's see if we have everything. It looks like we do. So let me turn my sketch off and I will get my material, which again should be aluminum 1060. And let's see if I remember what that should be. 0.54. And that looks to be correct. If there are any questions, please let me know or put a question in the comments.